Hi there and welcome to my installation guide for the Yzona front fender liners. I purchased these liners knowing I'd want to paint them as they come ready to customize in any color you choose. Let's begin with painting. To prep, remove the rivets from the white section of the liner, lightly sand it down and wipe away any dust. For this project, I used Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover. I applied 2 light coats of color followed by a top coat for durability. Be sure to let everything dry completely before moving on to installation. Once painted and dry, we used a 4mm rivet gun to reattach the new red back layer to the fender liner. And with that, we were ready to install. Let's move on to the next steps. We started by removing the fender liners but left the fenders themselves on the vehicle. The instructions suggest taking the fenders off, but that's not necessary for this installation. Just be sure to remove the triangular piece located at the side of the frame and on the bottom. The next day we installed the driver's side liner. You'll need an 18mm socket wrench for this step, but an electric ratchet can make things quicker, though it's not required. Start by loosening the bolt circled in the instructions. This bolt will let you slide the L-shaped bracket into place later. Don't tighten the bolt fully just yet. Leave it loose so you can make adjustments if needed. Step 3. Positioning the Z-shaped bracket. Next, move to the Z-shaped bracket. This piece goes under the factory bolt of the front body mounting bracket. Again, don't tighten this bolt all the way just yet. Keeping it loose will give you the flexibility to align everything properly. Take the clip nut and attach it to the lower frame as shown. Then install the rear section of the liner. Insert the bolts into the designated holes, but keep them loose for now. This will allow the other sections to slide into place easily. Next, take a nut and carefully position it into the tight space shown in the instructions. This part can be a little tricky, especially with the fender still on, but don't worry, it's doable. Now it's time to install the front liner. Slide it into the top bolt on the right side, making sure it aligns with all the other bolts. Once it's in place, secure the remaining bolts. Once everything is aligned and secure, go back and tighten all the bolts that we left loose earlier. Make sure everything is firmly in place. Congratulations, you finished the driver's side. Now let's move on to the passenger side. Now move on to the passenger side and repeat the same steps. The only difference here is that you'll need to use the rivet tool provided to insert the rivet bolt into the frame, tighten it down, and then follow the same process as the driver's side. And that's it. In about 45 minutes or less, you'll have both fender liners installed. If you took the time to paint them, they'll look even better, customized to your liking. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new upgrade.